SimplePractice is designed to accommodate clients that have a contact, parent, or guardian that manages their care. When you add a client, you can select the minor client type, which gives you the option to add one or more contacts. For example, if you treat a minor child with separated parents, you can share documents, forms, billing, and scheduling with each individual separately and securely. Or if you're working with a client who is a teenager, you can grant client portal access to them and their parent. You also have the ability to send the client and both of their parents appointment reminders and ensure that your client shows up for their appointment. Another scenario is if you're working with siblings in a family. You can give one parent access to multiple children's client portals using a single email, making it easier for your clients and easier for you to organize billing. In this series of videos, we'll review how to use these features with your minor clients and their contacts.